Hello guys, for another video. So today I will show you how I made my daily sales by choosing a trend from Redbubble and design for it just using Canva. If you like this kind of videos, I made the first one in the last week. You can check it from here. And I will make a video every week like this, how I pick up a trend and design for it, and also how I upload it on Redbubble. So if you are new here, smash that red button. Also don't forget to enjoy our Facebook group. So first, let's search for an idea to work on it. Let's type I. So we have these trends here. Like always guys, choose an idea you understand that help you to be more creative when you start designing. So click at this trend. All I need is coffee and my camera. Okay, this idea was clear, but the results are almost 3000. I will not say you don't have a chance to compete on this idea, but I prefer to put my effort to a small competition niche that help my designs to rank faster. Let's try another alphabet. Okay, let's choose this one, easily distracted by airplanes. This idea as well, it's clear and funny in the same time. So click at best selling and always focus on the first 5 results. So we have 3 stickers and 2 t-shirts. So I will try to design on different ways to attach the client eye, also to make my designs look different. So let's open Canva and start the work. This is the first design. It's simple and I want to use this color because it's different from the first 5 results. And for the second one, I want to make it a little bit funny, so I think these eyes are good for it. And I always try design on different way, different expectation, and I love to see my designs not like others. For the third design is also simple and clean and perfect for t-shirts. And like these niches, you can design tens of designs in just 20 minutes with Canva because they're easy to scale. So let's upload this design on Redbubble. For the title, I will use just a simple one for shortening the time, but if you want to know the perfect way to put profitable titles, see this video here. And for the tags, when you find a niche have a related keywords, always use them as a tags, because these keywords are suggested by Redbubble, so there is people who search on these keywords. And since we have 3 designs, I will use these keywords in 2 of them, and the other I will use just Redbubble tag generator. So I will set up a different product to show up on the results. So the first one and the second one I will choose stickers, and the third one I will choose t-shirts. So we have 3 different designs and 2 different tags, and try to use different title as well to know what is working and what is not working. So this is, guys, how I pick up a trend and design for it from scratch. If you like kind of this video, give it a like, smash that red button, and don't forget to give me your feedback in the comment section. And yeah, see you in the next one.